Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide to creating an AWS IAM user. Let's go ahead and get started here. The first step to setting up your IAM user is to sign in as the root user. So go ahead and add your email and your password. Now from your home console, click on IAM, click on Users in the left panel. Now go ahead and click on the Create User button. Okay, now let's tackle the setup we need to complete step 1 of adding our IAM user. Go ahead and enter a username. We use default user, but you can also use anything that you want. Next, check Provide User Access to the AWS Management Console. And since we have an end goal of using access keys, select I want to create an IAM user. Go ahead here and enter a password, a memorable and secure password, and uncheck users must create a new password at next sign in, and here you go. You have all your details set up for step 1. Now let's go ahead and tackle step 2, which will involve setting up permissions for the new user. Under the permissions options, click on Attach Policies directly. Now scroll down the list of permissions policies and find Administrator Access. Go ahead and check the box next to Administrator Access. Now hit Next. Now for step 3, go ahead and click on Create User. And here we go, step 4. Click on Return to Users List. Here you'll be asked to continue without viewing or downloading console password. Go ahead and hit Continue. And here you can see your newly created user. Congratulations on finishing this step and setting up your IAM user for this tutorial. Now that you've created your user, let's walk through how to retrieve your access key and secret access key. From IAM Users, click on the user you want to retrieve the key for. From the IAM Users dashboard, go ahead and click on Create Access Key. Select Command Line Interface as the use case. Check I understand the above recommendation and want to proceed to create an access key under confirmation here. Go ahead and add a description such as tutorial. Perfect. Now you've created a secret access key. Now when you're asked for your key, such as when you use AWS CLI to configure your account, you can go ahead and copy your access key here and secret key here. Remember to save your keys to a safe location. Now you can hit Done. You've now completed the steps of creating a user and setting up access keys for your new user.